Hello, good day. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be talking about WordPress dashboard. And when we are talking about WordPress dashboard, we'll be touching all the components and all things that has to do with WordPress dashboard. But before we start that, we have to understand how WordPress works and what is WordPress. You know, WordPress, as we all know, is completely free and supports all hosting platforms with PHP and MySQL. On top of that, WordPress is a CMS platform that is constantly updating its new version for security purposes, and it includes a lot of features and for overall performance. And also, you may be asking yourself, what is a CMS? It is a content management system. For short, it is an application with the ability to create, modify, or publish digital content. In most cases, it is also support multiple users, as you can also see it in your WordPress and also in website. It also allows for cooperation and also collaboration with other users. Now, a content management system consists of two major components, and these components are very important for you to have a successful website. Okay? One of the components is a content management application, and it can be referred as the graphical user interface GUI that lets a user create, modify, remove, and publish content without ever needing to have knowledge of HTML or programming languages. Secondly, a CMS also consists of content delivery application, and it is responsible for the back-end services that manage and delivers content after it is in CMA. Okay? Other features worth mentioning about WordPress and content management system is this. One, it must be SEO friendly. It must support online and community access. It must have various templates and designs, and installation widgets and upgrade and update is also required. Now, when you hear of WordPress, there are two types of WordPress which you may not have known about. One, we have WordPress.com and WordPress versus org, WordPress.org. Now you may be wondering, what is the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org? WordPress.com, as I was saying, we have two kinds of WordPress. We have WordPress, excuse me, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. What is the difference between these two? WordPress.com and WordPress.org are two ways of hosting a WordPress site. The thing that varies between these two, so WordPress.com and WordPress.org, the difference between the two is this. WordPress.com they are all used for hosting websites. The only difference is the method of hosting. And by using WordPress.org, you may download scripts free of charge and host it yourself on a local machine or with a hosting provider such as Hostinger, Bluehost, SiteGround, and a lot of them. that are reputable companies that host website. On the other hand, wordpress.com takes care of all the hosting of a thing for your site. You don't have to manage a web server. You don't have to pay for downloads. Okay. However, you'll be having ads, and it is a kind of subdomain, and you can also have a domain of your own on wordpress.com, but you are limited to some certain things that you cannot do, that you will be able to do with your wordpress.org. Okay. So they also have their ups, the pros and cons of them, and for you to do that, you have to kind of have some technical knowledge when it comes to wordpress.org, which is what we are using, and it makes use of PHP codes and CSS codes as well, programming languages for you to be able to actualize that. But with that now, with the plugins that are available, you will be able to have all this without coding or anything. Now let us go now. After you have gotten this few knowledge, we have to be talking about installing WordPress. Before you will be able to have access to WordPress dashboard, you must have installed WordPress on your host, with your hoster, or the company that is hosting your site. So you have to install WordPress, and it's after installing WordPress that you will be able to have a login, details of your password, your username, your administrator email, and all that, your site title. So let's just go through them and all that. So when you install WordPress, the next thing you need to do is to register, a kind of registering on the WordPress, so that you will be able to have access to the WordPress dashboard. So the first thing there that you will need to do is you must have a URL, or will I say a domain name, or a domain that this WordPress will be installed on. Okay. So that is number one, like example.com, exampleyourcompany.org, your site.net, and all that. And also you have to select the language on which you want the WordPress to be installed on, and also your administrator's name, your WordPress admin username. You will use it to access your WordPress anytime in your admin arena. You also need administrator password. That will be a key for you to be able to log in. You will need administrator's email, a website title, and a website tagline. The website tagline is just like a slogan, maybe, that describe what your company does or your business does. And after that, you will just click install, and the WordPress will install on your website. Okay, so that is it. Now there is another thing that we need to do. After you have finished registering on your WordPress, the next thing you need to do is to log in. And what will be required for you to log in is your username and your password. Once you do that, you will have access to the dashboard. And when you come to the dashboard, as you're seeing here, the first thing that you will see there is dashboard. And after the dashboard, you will see home. You will also see posts, media, pages, comments, and all that. You also see appearance, plugins, user, tools, and settings. Okay, so these are just a toolbar that you will need to walk through in order for you to be able to navigate your way when you log into your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so the top side that you, as you're seeing here, is the website name, is the toolbar on top, and beneath it is the main navigation menu on the left hand side that contains all the administrative screens of WordPress. Okay, so these are the things that you will be seeing on your WordPress dashboard. Now the first thing you will see there is post. When you click on post, what you will see there is all posts. All posts are the posts that you have created, your contents or your blogging posts that you have created, so they will be all inside the post. And also, for you to add a new post, all you need to do is click on add new. As you can see here, add new. Once you click on add new, you will be able to create a new post. And every post that you're creating, first you must put a title. Let's say we want to create a post now on this. So let's say how to make, let's say let's use the title blogging, okay, as our post title. Now from here, now this is where you put the content. Let's say blogging is the word digital place. Like when you're reading a blog on the internet, this is where the blogs are created. So you need to customize it by adding images. You can also add a form, and also if you have a builder, you will now, after creating your post, the first thing you need to do, if you don't want the post to go live immediately, you just have to save it on save draft. But if you are okay with everything and you think everything is perfect, the next thing you need to do is to publish. And once you click publish, the post will be published. And once your post is published, you'll be able to access them through this Premier link that you are seeing here. Okay, so this will be your access link for you to be able to access this blog or post that we just created right now. So when you see all the posts, when you come to all the posts, so you'll be able to be seeing this new blog that we created with the title. Okay, so these are the posts that are in this website. As you can see them, this is the one we just created right now, blogging. You have hello words and therapy and all that. So this is the list of the posts that you have created. Okay, now the next thing that you will see on this dashboard navigation menu is media. And also when you talk about categories, okay, on posts, it's all about the arrangement, how you assign your post to a specific category. You can even create a new one by pressing the add new categories button. And also tags box allows you to quickly add new tags, featured images and all that. You can assign a featured image to your post and all that. The next thing you see there is media. When you come to media, you will see library, add new, the bulk optimization that you're seeing, and other media is just a plugin that I have already installed. We'll get there. Okay, so when you click on library, it is the list of all the media and graphics that you have uploaded into your WordPress, Okay, So if you want to add new, all you need to do is to click on add new. When you click on add new, it will take you to a place where you will select your file from your file manager on your system. So once you click on select file, it will take you to your file manager, and you will take the image or photo you want to use and need to store there. And once you upload any photo, it is automatically stored in your WordPress dashboard, so you don't need to keep on uploading those pictures again and again. Okay. The next thing that we'll be really emphasizing on today, it is not really a big deal, is pages. Okay. Pages, these are, when you talk about pages, when you talk about pages, we are talking about creating a page on your website. Okay. So when you create a page on your website, what you are going to be seeing there is like about page, contact page. You will also be having something like contact us, about us, services, and homepage. So the first thing you need to do is to create, like when you go to goldensunsynergy.com, you will see our about page, our services, contact us page. So those are those lists that you see on when you click on any website menu are the pages that are being created under the website. Or when you go to codeview.tech, you will also see all the pages that are under that website. Okay. So when we come here, for us to create a page, all we need to do is click on add new. Once you click on add new, you will first you see all pages. These are the pages that we have created, and also you can see the list of the pages here. All the pages are already created. Now for you to create a new page, all you have to do is to click on new, add new. Once you click on add new, just the same way you created your post is the same way you will also create your page. All you need to do is to add. So in creating a new page, just the way you created your post earlier on, all you have to do is to put the title of your page. We have our home page. Let's assume we want to create a home page. Just put home there. Automatically the primary link will become home, your website / home dot. So let's assume like here we have the digital academy.gal. It will now be digitalacademy.gal / home. Now once you come here, you will also put your content you want to be visible on the page, and once you do that, your page will be live. So there is already, as you can see here, there is already home page created on this website. So if I publish this page again, the URL of this page will become home too, because there is already a home page created on this website. So for you to add a page, just click on page, add new page, set your title, and create the content you want your visitors to see on the page. And once you're done, just click on publish and you're good to go. Okay. The next thing we need to talk about now is plugins. All right. So we have to be talking about installing WordPress plugin. The primary purpose of WordPress plugin is to expand WordPress functionalities. Just by installing and activating a plugin, you can add new features to WordPress site without any coding. There are thousands of free and paid plugins built for different purposes, from social media, sharing to security, you will surely find a plugin that fits your need. So installing a plugin is as easy task even for a beginner. Free and premium plugins are available on wordpress.org plugin directories. Just like themes, it can be installed by using the inbuilt WordPress installer. To install a WordPress on your site. Now, what is a WordPress? Let's just go to WordPress. Oh, sorry. Before we talk about the plugins, let's talk about the themes. Okay? So, what are these themes when we talk about themes? The look of your WordPress site can be changed by applying a theme. There are free and premium themes as well. Some of them are universal and can be used on any website of your choice. Others are built for a specific purpose. For example, the e-commerce themes are specially meant for e-commerce purposes, and the work with e-commerce plugin that will enable your site to function very well. Now, these themes, they are just there for beautification of your website. They are what really give your end users the taste of how your site feels like. So these graphics are just templates that are there to beautify your site. Okay, so when you come to themes, when you click on themes, can see let's go back on this page because we don't need it. So but if you need it, you can just publish it. Let's say we just publish it and the page will be live on our site. The page is now live on our site. So when you click on the URL of the page, it will take you to the page. Okay, so now let's talk about theme. When you click appearance, you will come to theme. In this theme, that is where you have a lot of themes. Here are pre-installed themes already on the site. Now for you to add a new theme, all you need to do is click on add new. You can upload your own theme if you have one. If you have a theme file on your system and you want to upload them to your site, all you need to do is click on the appearance. Once you click on appearance, you will see the theme, and you click on the themes, it will take you to the theme page. And the next thing you need to do is to upload the theme if you have one on your system already or on your PC already. All you need to do is to upload the zip file. It can take few minutes for uploading the process to be complete. Once you are done uploading, click on activate. Okay, and if the theme is in zip form, you need to extract the themes first before uploading it. And also, if you want to use the themes that are already there, there are millions and thousands of themes out there that you can use to customize your website. So as you can see here, we have list of different themes that you can choose from for different purposes. When you come here, you see a lot of them here. So these are other themes also, latest themes, and all that. Now these themes, once if you want to make use of any of these themes, all you need to do is click on them. It will preview the way it will look on your site. Once you're done with this, you click install. As you click install, the theme will install on your site and the outlook will change. Here you have the customize, the widgets, the menus, and all that. Now let's go to plugin. Plugin is just like an application on your phone. When you want to make use of anything on your phone, you need to download an application from Apple Play Store, or in your system you need to go to the store of that product to upload those softwares. And these plugins or softwares or applications helps your site to run smoothly, just as we said earlier on. So for us to go there, you have to click on plugins. Install plugins is the folder that contains all the plugins that you have already installed. As you can see here, we have a lot of plugins that are stored on this website, as you can see, by different developers and all that. Okay, so as you can see here, we are having a lot of them. So the primary purpose of plugin is to expand WordPress functionality, as I said earlier. Just by installing them, you have access to be able to manipulate your way out, and also to do good things that will look very good. To install a WordPress plugin, press the add new. As you are here now, you just need to press add new. Okay, once you press the add new button under plugins, enter the name of the plugin you want to install in the search field and hit install. Once, let's say we want to install a WhatsApp on our website, WhatsApp on our website, so that visitors can reach us through WhatsApp. Now you will see here you have a lot of websites, a lot of plugins that are meant for WhatsApp. Now these plugins, all you need to do is to click on install, and if you install them, you just need to fill them and your WhatsApp will be live. Okay, if we need a WhatsApp, all we need to do is to click on this click to chat for us to have a WhatsApp plugin and functionality on our website. Once you click install, the plugin will install, and also once you are done installing, click activate, and the plugin will install. Just like here now, you click activate and the plugin will activate instantly, and you will begin to make use of the plugins. So there are a lot of essential plugins that you need. You need a page builder plugin for you to be able to edit your pages to your own style and all that. You also need a contact form so that customers or visitors will be able to contact you when they visit your website and all that. Okay, and also it is not recommended for you to have a lot of plugins, as it can decrease your site performance. So keep your WordPress clean by only installing essential plugins and deleting the ones that you are not using again. All right, so here the next one we have there on our list is users. Here in user, it is all about adding new people that you want them to have access. You can add them. Here we go to add a new user. These are the people that will have access to your WordPress. Now you have to specify their role when you are adding a new user. Okay, so here, if you want them to be a subscriber when they register on your site, if you want them to be a contributor, if you want them to be authors, if you want them to be editors, or you want them to be a fellow administrator on your site, so just select the role you want them to be, and once you're done with that, you click add new, and you are good to go. The next one we have here is tools. Sometimes when you install a new plugin, they will come here under the tools, and also under here you will be able to check to import your website from another place to here, and you can also export your data. You can also check the site health, how your website is doing, if you need any improvement. Like here now, once you click on the site health, to show you what we need to do. As you can see here, we need some things that we need to do to improve the functionality of our website. So that is what happens when you click on tools. The next one we have there is settings. So in these settings, this is where you set how you want your website to look like. Okay, so under here you have the general. Under general, you will set your site title. Okay, your site title is the title of your website, the name you want your visitors to see when they visit your website. The tagline is also like a slogan you want to attach to your site title. You also will have the WordPress address URL, like as you can see here. The site address is also there. The administrator's email is also there. You also have membership for people that you want them to register on your website, and also you will be having things. As you can see, just go through the list, and you can. The next one is writing. Okay, that is all about blog and post and all that, how you want them to be and the functionality you want to give them. The next one you need is about reading, how you want your visitors to view your website. As here, it is always important that you make your home page a static page. You select home. You can see here we have all the pages that we have built. I will select home here, and under blogs, all I have to do is to select another page that I want to use as my blog page. So I will select blog. Just leave it like this, and you save. Once you save, once any person hits on your home page, it will automatically take them to the first page, which is your home page. The next one we have here is discussion. Here you also have the media, okay, and the size and what you want to allow in your media circle. Here you also have what we call permanent links. Here you can also edit the links how you want your. It is always advisable that it will be on plain for the first time. For you to have a very good visible website, you have to choose this post, so that your post and your site will be very okay when your visitors visit it. Then the next one there is privacy. Okay, privacy. It's all about your privacy page, what you want in your privacy and all that regarding your site. So this will be the end of the tutorial for today. So if you like this video or you have any question, kindly put in your question on the comment section below, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification button to get more notification and more update of our uploads. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you have any question regarding this tutorial, do well to drop your comments on the comment section below. Okay, so this will be the end for today's tutorial. So do please to share this video to other users, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. and hit the notification button. I still remain yours, your partner in progress in ensuring that you are doing well digitally. And also, as you watch this video, I believe you'll be able to navigate through your WordPress dashboard. Thanks. I still remain yours, John. Thank you and God bless you.